subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Chinese smartphone maker Tecno has launched its new affordable gaming-centric phone in Philippines called Tecno Pova 2, and it is the successor of the last year launched Tecno Pova smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the Tecno Pova 2 supports a large 6.9-inch Full HD Plus display with 180Hz touch sampling rate for smooth gaming experience. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. The smartphone backs with 4 or 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that is expandable via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Tecno Pova 2 features a quad camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 2MP macro plus another 2MP depth sensor and one more 2MP AI lens camera. At the front, it has an 8MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support, and it runs on Android 11 based on company's iOS 7.6 skin on top. For gaming, the company has added GameSpace 2.0, an 80 game engine feature that helps to boost the CPU and GPU for lag-free experience. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 173.32 by 78.78 by 9.62mm, and it weighs around 185 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Tecno Pova 2 has been priced in Philippines for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 7,990 Philippine pesos. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Polar Silver, Power Blue and Dazzle Black color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from June 11th. So what do you guys think of this Tecno Pova 2 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.